who should lead the Salah? Who should lead the Salah? We are, for example, camp. You are in a camp, for example. Of course, not in the masjid, because in the masjid, the one who should lead the Salah, the Imam from the ministry. Okay, if there is Imam of the masjid, he should lead the Salah. We should not fight with him that I memorize more Quran than you. So we are not talking about the masjid. I'm talking about when we are friends. Okay, we are in a journey, or we are in a camp. Okay, or we are praying at home because the masjid is very far, or we miss the Salah. Who should lead the Salah? The Prophet ﷺ mentioned Al-Aqra. What is the meaning of Al-Aqra? The one who reads more, which means here, the one who memorizes the Quran more. So, the one who memorizes the Quran more, he should lead the Salah. But, Shaykh Ibn Uthaymeen rahimahullah mentioned, and also other scholars, that what is the meaning of the Al-Aqra, who memorized more? That time, at the time of the companions, radiallahu ta'ala an, the one who reads Quran more, who memorizes Quran more, it means he has more knowledge. So it is very important that the one who is reading Quran to have knowledge, and specifically of the Salah, the fiqh of the Salah, the rules of Salah. So the one who reads the Quran more, which means more memorizing more Quran with fiqh of the Salah, rules of the Salah, he should lead the Salah. But for example, if there is one of the brothers who is half of the Quran, the full Quran, okay, but he doesn't know the rules of Salah, what should he do if he missed a rak'ah, or he missed a sujood, and one of the other brothers who doesn't memorize the full Quran, maybe half the Quran, one chapter from the Quran, okay, but he has fiqh of the Quran, so he should lead the Salah. Sorry, he knows the Quran and the fiqh of the Salah. Okay, if all of us, for example, all of us graduate from Sharia, we are the same batch, okay, and we have almost the same knowledge, so who should lead the Salah? The one who has more Quran. Also, another thing regarding who should lead the Salah, if we are friends, I mentioned that we are friends, and I invited you in my house, okay, so I am the one should lead the Salah, even if I'm not memorizing more Quran than the others. Okay, because the rule, it is like the masjid. Okay, who should lead the Salah? The Imam of the masjid. At home, who should lead the Salah? The person who owns this house. So if I'm inviting you in my house, so at the time Salah, I should lead. Of course, again, if I have the rules of the Salah. If I have the rules and I know the rules of Salah, wallahu a'lam.